Will the President take one more question? Mr. President, the new ombudsman yesterday lifted the restrictions on the release of SALNs to the public.
Finally.
Yes. Will you take the lead and allow the release of your SALN and maybe perhaps those of your cabinet members?
We'll follow the new rules. We'll follow the old rules. These old rules were suspended in the last administration, where the SALN was, it was much easier to get a copy of the SALN and to examine it. And I was quite surprised to find out when I first came into office that that was no longer the case. That it was almost impossible, in fact, to get a copy of a people's SALN. And so we are just going back to the old procedure, and we will follow that. Whatever happens. Again, my SALN it will be available to whoever would like to, kung hingiin sa akin ng ICI, di siyempre bibigay ko. Kung hingiin sa akin ng ombudsman, bibigay namin.
And will you enjoin your cabinet to do the same?
Yes, of course. Of course.
Thank you.
I think that I'm hoping and I'm fairly confident that that's not going to be necessary, simply because that we have been involved, I have been involved as you can imagine, I have been involved in detail on the preparation, especially in the House, of the budget. And as far as we have been able to examine, there are no projects that are listed there. There are no items that are listed there that are outside of the socio-economic development plan of the Philippines and all the plans derived from that, i.e., kung saan pupunta yung FMR, kung saan pupunta yung school building, kung saan pupunta, all of these are all part of the general plan. So I do not think, from the last time that I saw the last version of the budget, wala naman akong nakita na humihiwalay doon sa plano ng national government. Kaya't hindi siguro kailangan mag-veto. Pero tignan natin, kasi hindi pa tapos ang proseso. Dadaan pa sa Senado yan, dadaan pa sa BICAM, at titignan natin at titiyakin natin na ganun pa rin ang sinusundan na proseso na dapat nasa ilalim lahat ng ating plano para sa national galing sa national government.